Hello everyone, before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, today's EA is called Aureon and is listed on the MQ5 market by DLT Circle from South Africa. It's currently priced around $119, the version 2.0, and is built specifically for gold on the M30 timeframe. And the developer positions it as a multi-core system rather than a single strategy robot. Now, it was published just recently, 12 days ago at the time of the video, on the 10th of August 2026. Now, looking at what the developer actually says on the product page, Aureon runs two independent cores. You see, that approach the market from different angles. Core 1 is a conventional stop loss and take profit system. It looks for trend following conditions, market reversals, multiple signal confirmations, and directional analysis. Every position in this core is managed on its own with its own SL and TP. And there's no recovery logic mentioned here. As well, noting that there's a price notice that after 5 sales, the price will increase from $119 to $299 with a final target price of 2000. That doesn't mean you should rush and buy the EA. Always down backtest with the demo and see whether it fits your trading style. But let's continue. On to Core 2. Core 2 is the reversal grid system and they highlight it as different. It's a reversal based grid system, and instead of the usual trend following grid with confirmation filters, this one is built around detecting potential market reversals. Early. It's built around detecting potential market reversals early, trying to catch situations where the market might be about to change direction before that move is fully established. They also talk about the grid architecture itself. The steps are described as 4 times smaller than a typical grid. That tighter spacing is supposed to create more frequent analysis opportunities, quicker reactions to changing conditions, shorter distances between levels, faster trade cycles transitions. Finally, after a grid exit, you can reassess the market again, and drawdown management is available specifically for Discord too. So you can set the level of exposure you're comfortable with instead of using a fixed setup for every account size. Now they push the idea that this isn't just another conventional grid with extra indicators slapped on, and the second core is framed around reversal detection combined with that compact grid structure. So the whole system can reassess conditions more often without relying on established trends. Now one core does trend following plus reversal with hard stops, and the other does the reversal grid with the drawdown controls. Now before we move on to my backtest, let's go over the recommended settings for backtest in case you want to test it on your own. Now we have the symbol gold USD on the M30 time frame. Now they gave a recommended period of 2024 to present, but I'm using mine undetermined backtest period, minimum deposit of 1000 and leverage of 1:100 minimum. Now let's go over to my backtest. Now looking at the historical backtest I ran myself, same symbol and time frame, roughly 1 year from August 2025 to August 2026, open price only, Starting with $10,000, the equity curve starts relatively flat for the first few months, then begins a steady climb and accelerates higher towards the end of the period, finishing near 4.7 million. The deposit load stays mostly low throughout, as you can see, below 50%, with occasional spikes but nothing sustained at high level. Now the key numbers from the test has a total net profit of 4.9 million, profit factor of 2.16, recovery factor of 9.34, which matches the grade. Win rate sits near 89. Let me raise this up so I don't have to scroll too much. Let's take this up. Now we can see everything at the same time. Profit rate 89.29%. And if you look at the numbers, you see everything on it. Drawdown 38% for equity drawdown, and balance drawdown of 15.93. So on the high side. Now moving on to the profits and loss numbers. We have the largest profit at $61 and the largest loss at $199,000, which is more than times two of the largest profit trade, and is similar with the average 20,000 average profit and 78,000 loss average, higher than the average profit. Now comparing this with the developer framing, compared with the framing of a controlled dual core approach, the historical results show the kind of equity growth and high win rates you often see from a tight grade during a favorable gold period. The recovery factor looks strong on paper, yet the relative drawdown and the size of the losing trades relative to the winner are typical grade behavior. Now the open price modeling and specific 1 year window that included strong directional moves in gold both play a role here. Live conditions with real spreads and slippage would change the picture. Now what actually matters from the setting visible in the test environment is the modeling type, the delay, the deposit size, the leverage, and which risk preset is active. Now my realistic take, this is a core dual core setup where one side uses conventional stops and the other is a compact reversal style grid. And historical performance on my in the particular period and mine looks strong on the surface, but the equity curve shape, the high win rate to loss size relationship, and the relative drawdown all point to the usual grid dynamics. It can run smoothly for stretches and then face larger equity swings when gold trends hard without the expected reversal. Now, broker conditions and news events will matter more than the marketing suggests. Now, who might it suit? Traders who already understand great risk are willing to keep position sizing conservative relative to equity and actively use the drawdown management controls on core 2. Also, anyone looking for low, stable drawdown or poor firm style consistency should be cautious on this year. The historical relative drawdown windows are wider than most portfolios allow long term. Analyze the breakdown based on the developer's page claim and the historical test results. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe for more EA reviews, and drop a comment with the next robot you want me to look at next. And don't forget to grab that free multi indicator robot linked in the description. Thanks for watching. Trade safe. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.